right? So the point is, only sending to school is not the thing which I'm saying from this platform, but overall everything should move. Like for adults, everything has smoothly now moving. Same should be for children, and we as a parents will set up an example for children. So as much we will be social, as much we will come out of all these things, that is going to be the coping strategy by our children as well, right? I always say, why we should always feel them like treat them like an individuals, because only their setup, the way they look, their body dynamics is small because you are bigger and they look small. But the soul is, has no size, right? The soul is bigger, only the costume is smaller when it comes to children. So treat them as a individuals, and consider them also, so that whatever loss happened, whatever way it impacted, it was in nobody's hand, but the entire world was at standstill. And that is something which I feel, I still feel, I hold a degree of doctorate. I work with mother and child care. I work with many hospitals and many brands and many doctors. But still, I would go with, in my opinion, I would go with Dalai Lama's line. He says, uh, COVID 19 is not a disease, it is the new brain. Until you empty that brain from your mindset, COVID will going to be there with you. So it is not a disease, it is a mindset, it is a mind block, right? So the moment it is gone, it is gone. See, there has been people who have been suffered, I agree. But just because of this COVID-19 they suffered, it is not like that. Because there are so many people, because of COVID-19, being a warrior also, nothing happened to them. Now don't tell me that they are metahumans, right? So it is all about, and it has nothing to do with the immunity. It is all in the mind, we say, no, it's all in the mind. So it's like that. So it is more of psychological, and we need to just come out of it, and we need to, start making parents, adults, younger ones, everyone, spreading confidence and positive vibes, so that they understand, okay, this was that, and this is that, this is this, and this is reality, right? So thank you very much for a wonderful opportunity, a lovely platform where I could share few of my words, and I'm always open to answer any questions or discuss on any topic. Might be some people would be watching this video later, so you can get in touch with me through my social media handles, Dr. Abhishek Pasari, Shishupuram. Either of the way, you write Google, or you write on Google Abhishek Pasari, Google will guide you where you need to go to find me, right? So thank you, Banashri. Thank you, Mr. Pal, Swasthya Wellbeing Parivar, and everyone, and especially Microsoft team. I'm very new to this platform, but thank you very much.
Thank you so much, sir. That was a wonderful and insightful session. And I must also mention it was one of the best sessions we had till now. So,
Oh,
with this, yeah, so really, I mean it, not just for that. So, with this, we've
no,
come to the. Yes, sir?
I'll share one story with you if you
Sure,
allow
sir.
me to share it in Hindi.
Sure. No problem, sir. It's an
Um,
English channel.
ओके ग्रेट. एक बार पता है क्या हुआ बनश्री, आप कहाँ से हैं?
Sir, मैं आसाम से हूँ.
आसाम से हैं, राइट? तो आसाम में एक बार कृष्ण भगवान क्लास ले रहे थे, लॉर्ड कृष्णा.
हम्म.
और उस क्लास में अर्जुन था, दुर्योधन भी था, सारे पांडव थे और सारे कौरव थे. तो किस सिटी से हो?
Sir, it's called Jorhat.
जोहट, राइट?
Jorhat, yeah. Jorhat.
जोरहाट. सो
Hmm.
भगवान कृष्ण ने अर्जुन को और दुर्योधन को एक टास्क दिया. 7 डेज तुम्हें जोरहाट जाना है और वहां पर कुछ काम करना है. तो अर्जुन को टास्क मिला कि तुम्हें 7 डेज वहां पर रहकर सारी गंदगी, सारी नेगेटिविटी नोट करके लानी है कि कितना गंदगी है उस जगह में, कितना नेगेटिविटी उस जगह में खास करके। और दुर्योधन को एक टास्क दिया गया कि तुम्हें भी जोरहाट जाना है फॉर 7 डेज, और वहां पर कितनी अच्छी चीजें हैं, कितनी खूबसूरत चीजें हैं, कितनी पॉजिटिविटी है, वो सबको, ब्यूटी को नोट करके लेके आना है। 7 डेज की जगह 10 डेज लग गए दोनों को आने में। जब दोनों आए तो जैसे स्कूल में बच्चा जब होमवर्क करके नहीं आता तो कैसा मुंह लटका के आता है ना, तो दोनों के दोनों अर्जुन और दुर्योधन कृष्ण भगवान की क्लास में मुंह लटका के आए 10 दिन के बाद, लेट आए और just like a poor children who didn't completed their homework. Then Krishna asked both of them कि भाई क्या हुआ। तो अर्जुन ने कहा 7 दिन की जगह मुझे 10 दिन लग गए, लेकिन मैं एक भी गंदी चीज वहां पर नहीं देख पाया, एक भी बुरी चीज मैंने नहीं देखी, मैं देख ही नहीं पाया। एट द सेम मोमेंट दुर्योधन ने कहा कि मुझे भी 7 के 10 दिन लग गए, लेकिन मुझे एक भी अच्छी चीज वहां पर नहीं दिखी, कुछ भी अच्छा नहीं है वहां पर, मैं क्या नोट करता। समझिए आप। तो
Yes,
दिस
sir.
इज
So it's all
ऑल
about the
अबाउट
mindset.
पर्सपेक्टिव, आप कैसे हैं, दुनिया वैसी दिखती है आपको। तो
Correct.
आपको ये सेशन अच्छा लगा या आप मुझे तारीफ कर रही हैं, तो क्योंकि ये आपके नजरिए में है, इसलिए आपको सब अच्छा लग रहा है, राइट? सो
Yes,
दैट्स अ
sir.
लवली interaction with you and everyone. God bless you, and thank you very much.
Thank you, sir. Thank you so much. So with this, we have come to the end of today's session. Thank you, Dr. Abhishek, for giving us your precious time and enlightening us with the much needed information and awareness concerning child's well-being. We hope and we look forward for more such interactive sessions in the near future with you, sir. Also, I would like to thank all the viewers for being a part of the session with the hope of having you all on board again with more such informative sessions by the eminent experts. Thanking you all. See you. Good night, sir.
Good night. Bye bye. Happy sleep.
Bye-bye, sir. Yes, sir.